Hello students, now let us look into certain terms in refrigeration. First is the refrigeration effect. The amount of cooling produced by the refrigeration process is known as the refrigeration effect. In other words, it can be defined as the rate at which heat is removed from the system in one cycle of operation. Refrigeration effect is also called capacity of refrigerator and is expressed in kilojoules per second or kilowatt. Next is ton of refrigeration. Ton of refrigeration is the capacity of the refrigerator, which can be expressed in terms of ton of refrigeration, which is also the unit of refrigeration. 1 ton of refrigeration is defined as the amount of heat absorbed in order to produce 1 ton of ice in 24 hours from water whose initial temperature is 0 degrees centigrade. In simple terms, 1 ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade is converted to 1 ton of ice at 0 degrees centigrade in 24 hours, which is equal to 3.5 kilowatt. Or 210 kilojoules per minute. Ice making capacity. It is defined as the capacity of the refrigeration system to remove heat from water to make ice. Now, refrigeration cycle describes the changes that take place in the refrigerant as it alternately absorbs and rejects heat while circulating through the refrigerator. The performance of refrigerator is measured by a factor known as coefficient of performance, simply called as COP. COP is defined as a ratio of amount of heat removed from a given space to the work supplied for the heat removal. That is, COP is equal to amount of heat removed or absorbed divided by work supplied, that is Q divided by W, where Q and W are expressed in same units, either it is kilojoules per second, that is kilowatt. COP is a basic parameter used to measure the energy efficiency of heating, cooling and refrigeration appliances. The higher the COP, the more efficient is the device. Now, there is also a term like a relative efficiency term is there in IC engines. In refrigeration also, there is a relative COP. It is defined as the ratio of actual COP to the theoretical COP of a refrigerator. Relative COP is equal to actual COP divided by theoretical COP. Actual COP is equal to Q by W, where Q and W are measured during the test, whereas theoretical COP is equal to Q theoretical divided by W theoretical, where Q and W are obtained by applying theoretical equations, laws of thermodynamics to the refrigeration cycle. That is, we may take Carnot efficiency also as the theoretical efficiency. Now let us look at the properties of refrigerant. The refrigerants are specially selected substances that have certain characteristics. These include part A, thermodynamic properties. It should have a low boiling point. The good refrigerant should have a low boiling point below the target temperature. Since boiling point is affected by pressure, refrigerant should be selected based on